Hello everyone, friends! Today I have prepared a detailed review of one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, WEEX. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to get started. How to register on the platform, how to fund your account, and of course, we'll go over all the key features of the exchange so you can easily and conveniently manage your assets. And the best part, I have a small gift for you. Use the promo code you see on the screen to receive exclusive bonuses upon registration. The registration link, as always, awaits you in the description below this video. Let's dive in. WEEX is a modern cryptocurrency platform that combines convenience, security, and a wide range of features for trading digital assets. The exchange is designed for both beginners and professional traders, offering powerful tools for analysis, trading, and asset management. Thanks to its high-speed transaction processing and low fees, WEEX is rapidly gaining popularity among users worldwide. WEEX serves over 5 million users. It offers spot trading with more than 603 pairs, and futures trading with more than 478 pairs, providing leverage up to 200 for derivative traders. The first visit to the site starts with registration. As with many other online resources, the process takes just a few minutes. Here's what you need to do. Go to the WEEX cryptocurrency exchange website using the link in the description. A special field will open where you can choose the registration method, either by mobile phone number or email address. Choose the most convenient option. Enter the address or number, complete the CAPTCHA, and check the box indicating that you agree to the privacy policy and have read it. You will receive a confirmation on your email or phone, after which you need to create a strong password. Create the password and click Next. That's it, you are registered. You will be redirected to the exchange site right away. I highly recommend our Telegram channel. There you will find the latest news on various coins, including meme coins. We have experts joining our live sessions to give trading advice. Additionally, we have a trading chat where each team member shares their successes and signals. If you are looking for a reliable community to support you in trading, join us on Telegram using the link in the description. KYC is not mandatory on WEEX, which gives you the freedom to trade, deposit, and withdraw funds without the need for identity verification. However, completing the KYC process provides access to additional features, such as higher withdrawal limits. Currently, WEEX does not support the deposit and withdrawal of fiat currencies. You can only conduct transactions using cryptocurrencies through the respective networks. The platform also supports internal transfers between WEEX accounts. These transfers are completely free, making them a convenient option for users with multiple WEEX accounts, or for sharing funds between friends or team members. You can fund your WEEX account from another exchange or cryptocurrency wallet. Select Deposit, enter the ticker of the desired coin in the search bar, find the appropriate network, and generate the transfer address. Then copy it or scan the QR code and complete the transaction. Ensure that the selected network matches the network of the platform from which you are withdrawing funds. If you choose the wrong network, you may lose your funds permanently. To withdraw funds, click the Withdraw button on the left panel. Then select the coin and network. Enter the recipient's address and the amount. Click Send and confirm the transaction. Currently, WEEX allows users to trade on both spot and futures markets. Let's take a closer look at both platforms to understand what they offer, what to expect, and identify any potential drawbacks. WEEX offers spot trading with over 630 cryptocurrencies, including USDT and USDC pairs. The platform charges a fixed fee of 0.1% for both makers and takers, making it an easy choice for casual traders. The trading tools are quite basic, featuring simple charts and standard indicators. However, the interface leans towards an older design, which may appear less intuitive compared to modern layouts, seen on other leading exchanges. WEEX offers more than 478 futures contracts with competitive fees of 0.2% for makers and 0.8% for takers. The platform supports leverage up to 200, which suits traders who prefer high-risk and high-reward strategies. The futures trading interface is relatively modern, comparable to what you might find on other exchanges. However, the order types are somewhat limited, which could be a drawback for traders looking for greater flexibility in their strategies. WEEX also offers demo futures trading, allowing beginners to practice trading and experienced traders to test new strategies without risking real funds. WEEX offers copy trading, allowing you to copy the trades of elite traders and earn a share of their profits. With a simple one-click setup, you can choose a trader from the list, review their performance, and start copying their trades. Elite traders receive 10% of the profit earned by their copiers, which is calculated as copier's profit minus commission, multiplied by 10%. This feature allows you to minimize risk by following experienced traders, increasing your chances of successful trades. Copy trading also offers customizable settings, allowing you to adjust margin parameters and risk control for better management of your trades. WeLaunch incentivizes users holding WXT tokens by offering the opportunity to participate in weekly airdrops. The minimum requirement to start receiving airdrops is 1000 WXT tokens, but holding more increases your reward multiplier, allowing you to earn more. Participating is easy. With a single click, you can lock in your WXT tokens. Additionally, if you ever decide to opt out, your WXT tokens can be instantly redeemed, giving you the flexibility to exit at any time. The WXT token is WEEX Exchange's proprietary ERC20 token designed to support the ecosystem and reward its active community. Holding WXT offers various benefits, including discounts on trading fees, VIP privileges, and opportunities to earn interest and rewards. The token also provides access to exclusive events and features, such as WeLaunch and profit sharing from copy trading. WEEX offers an intuitive mobile app for Android and iOS users, perfect for those who prefer trading on the go rather than being tied to a computer. The app features a user-friendly interface and easy-to-navigate layout. You can create an account directly through the app, and it provides access to all markets and trading pairs available on the desktop site. With the app, you can trade, deposit, withdraw funds, and copy trades seamlessly. Well, friends, we've reached the end. Today you've learned how to register, fund your account, and use the main features of the WEEX exchange. WEEX is a reliable and functional cryptocurrency platform that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. With easy registration, convenient account funding, and a wide range of tools, it is an excellent choice for trading and managing assets. If you want to start your journey into the world of cryptocurrencies, register on WEEX right now. The link and promo code for bonuses are in the description. Happy trading!